Okay, so let's say we only have a residual plot, and we want to use the residual plot in the computer output or just any other data we might have to make some predictions of the data or backtrack and find actual points in the data. So notice this says residuals, so that means this is a residual plot. So this is not the original data. This is how far for each x value the line was off by. So remember, this is like for this particular question, we're looking at years since 1990. So like this would be 1991, and this is the difference between where the actual value was for 1991 and what the line predicted it to be. So these are like your errors, your leftover spaces between the original data and your predicting line. So if I wanted to kind of look at this, let's write the equation for this line. So if I look at my output, my equation for this line, y hat, my constant is my y-intercept, so 2939.93 plus, if I notice years and years match, so this is going to be my slope, 233.517. So this is the equation of my line. So let's just say I wanted to like make a prediction with it. So we know how to do that, right? So let's make a prediction with our line. I don't know. Let's do the year. Let's do 1993. Oops, sorry, let me write this different. So let's do the year 1993. So that would be, since we're looking at years since then, since 1990, that means x equals 3. So let's plug that in and just see what we get. So y hat is 2939.93 plus 2335.517 times 3. So if I put this in on my calculator, 29.2939.93 plus 23351.7 times 3. I'm going to get this number, so 3640.5. So let's just say I haven't used the residual plot. I've just kind of looked at the output, got an equation, made a prediction with it. So this is my predicted amount. Now, let's say I wanted to use the residual plot to backtrack and find the actual. Could I do that? I could. So if I go to x equals 3 and then go down to the residual, here it is. So I'm going to estimate. This is looking like negative 50. So remember your residual equation. So to find this residual, like to make that point, they would have taken the actual value minus what was predicted at x equals 3. So we can find what was predicted because we had the computer output here. So this was our prediction, the 3640.5. I know my residual because I used the plot. I can go to the plot and find that residual at that x value. So negative 50 equals actual minus predicted. So actual I don't know, minus 3640.5. So if I want to get the actual thing all by itself, I can just add 3640.5 to both sides. This will cancel, and then this will be my answer here. So my actual value equals 3590, and I'll round it again, 0.5. So that's how you can use the residual plot if you don't have the original data, but you can like make a prediction and then backtrack using the residual plot. That will allow you to find the actual data if you in fact do not have it.